When it comes to growing your channel and reaching a wider audience, video popularity plays a crucial role. It's in fact the key to getting more views, getting more subscribers, more engagement, and ultimately building a loyal community that loves your content and wants to keep coming back for more. Competition is very fierce out there, so it's really a great job to actually make sure that your content is standing out and it is setting you apart. With millions of videos being uploaded every day, it's very difficult to be seen if you are not putting in the right strategies. On top of that, viewers retention is another thing, because how do you keep your viewers engaged and staying on your video, watching for much longer? It's a puzzle that so many people are still trying to solve. So if your video is not showing up in search results or even recommended feeds, then how exactly are you expecting to get more views? So in today's video, I'll be showing you real strategies, proven strategies to boost your views, to grow your audience, and make sure that your content is standing out from the crowd. So if you're ready with me on this one, let's get started. So the first one is creating engaging and valuable content. And how do you do this? It's first by knowing your audience. You need to know your target audience. You need to know those that you are providing your value to. You need to know their pain points. You need to know the problems that you're trying to solve. It doesn't matter what niche that you are in. Whatever niche you are in, you are actually solving a problem. Because even if you are in the entertainment niche, definitely if you're making people laugh, you are solving their boredom problems. So if you're in the weight industry or weight niche, it means you are solving people's weight issues. So there's actually a pain point that you are addressing. Know those that your videos are targeted at and just do so effectively. Another thing is to focus on quality. Make sure where you're filming is void of noise. If possible, have a microphone. Make sure your video quality is top notch. This is very important because nobody wants to come to a video that's not clear or that's blurry. Make sure all these things are in place so that viewers are likely to stay much longer and watch your content for longer. Another tip under creating engaging content is know your hooks. You need to hook your audience the first 30 seconds. So just address, ask that question that you're trying to address. That keywords that surround your title, just make sure you are saying it in that very first 30 seconds so that people will know what they have actually clicked on to watch. This is very, very key. Just to go straight to the point and target that pain that you're trying to address. Just go straight to the point and use that to hook them in for that first 30 seconds. This is very crucial. The second point is to optimize your video titles and your thumbnails. This is very, very important. Make your titles very curious. Make your thumbnails curious. Let them go, let them sync, let them go hand in hand. If you are not getting a high click-through rate, try to work more on your thumbnails. You could try the test and compare feature on the studio. It's very, very important. If you feel that you're not getting a very good click-through rate, try to create 2 or 3 different thumbnails and add it to your video so that the algorithm will figure out what thumbnail people are clicking on best, and then you'll be able to use that. This would help to improve your click-through rate. Peradventure, your thumbnails are not good enough or you don't even know why you're not having a good click-through rate. This is going to help a whole lot. You can use numbers to help with your titles. Maybe 5 proven ways to do this, 10 tips to do this. People like watching videos like this because they want to hear the tip. They want to hear that thing you have to say. And it's very much likely that they will stay from number 1 to 10. They don't want to hear number 1 and not get to the last one, or just hear 2 out of the points and not get. They want to get down to everything. So this kind of titles works a lot. Also for the thumbnails, make sure it has vibrant popping colors that would really attract people. So this is very vital as well. Use keywords in your titles. The keywords concerning whatever it is you're doing, make sure it's included in your title, because this should help it to get seen easily as well. The third point is to use YouTube search engine optimization. And how do you do this? By adding relevant keywords in your description, adding relevant keywords to your title, adding relevant keywords to your tags. This will help your videos to be discovered. Also, writing a detailed description is very key. Some people don't write descriptions in their videos. This is very wrong. There's a reason why YouTube has provided that feature for us to write a description concerning the video we are posting. So it's important to use that description properly. Write a brief description that contains the keywords, very important keywords around the topic that you are treating. Make sure the keywords are in that description. In fact, use the keywords to formulate the description on your description box. This will really help your video to rank in search and people will be able to discover your video. I feel that so many people don't talk much about description. Description is very, very important if you are a YouTuber on this space. The way you write your description, the way you present your description goes a long way to help your video to be discovered. Add links to your description. Add your video links. Add your playlist. I noticed this recently and I saw that it's really, really working for me. Adding videos and playlists, it helps to suggest your other videos. If you check in your analytics, when they say content suggesting this video, sometimes since I've been doing it, I realized that more of my content are suggesting the particular video I'm doing because I'm adding a lot of playlists there. I'm adding a lot of videos in my description and I'm also adding cards in my videos. These things are very, very crucial to help your videos to be discovered. Please don't sleep on this because I noticed that ever since I've been adding video links in my description, adding my playlists. In fact, more people are watching my playlist since I started adding my playlist to my description. Whenever I'm checking my analytics to know where my views are coming from, I hardly find playlists there. But the more I've started putting playlists in my description, adding playlists to it, I begin to see that more views are coming from there, which means people are actually looking at this playlist. People are actually looking at the description. So it's important to put the description right so that you can actually gain more views from this. Another tip is to leverage hashtags. Use hashtags that are related to the video. Don't use hashtags that are not related. Whatever video you are doing, if it's on YouTube growth, use YouTube growth. If it's on views, put more views, more subscribers. Look for hashtags that goes well with whatever you are doing. These hashtags also helps because whoever is typing in the hashtags to search for videos, your videos will definitely rank up in all those hashtags. So hashtags are not to be played with. They're not to be toyed with. It's very important to add hashtags also to videos. Another point is to engage your viewers to boost watch time. And how can you engage your viewers? In the comment section. That comment section is there for a reason. Replying to comments, very, very vital. Replying to comments. I mean, if you know what replying to comment does, you will not leave comments 3 days, 4 days without replying to them. Because if you have one comment, let's assume you have 5 comments, you reply to them, it becomes 10 comments. 20 comments, you reply to those 20, it becomes 40 comments. All these are engaging. They are telling the algorithm that, oh, this video is very good and something is going on here. And they will keep pushing the video for more views. I've noticed it severally on my channel that whenever, even if it is an old video that somebody sees and make a comment, and then I respond, I just realized that it is being pushed and the views on that video keeps increasing. And then people begin to watch more and begin to drop comments. So comment in your videos is a secret to getting views. If you don't know this, just go and know this now. Comment in your videos is secret to getting views. If there is something very busy in your comment section, trust me, your views will keep increasing. Go and try it out and thank me later. The video views will keep increasing. YouTube will keep pushing out the videos because I don't know how it works, but I know that once the comment is, going in and out, people are just dropping comment, you are replying, people are dropping comment, you are replying. the views will not stop. It will keep going. So if you don't know this before, please go and work on this very one. Comment is very important. So it's important to reply people's comments because it keeps the engagement going on your videos and it keeps your views increasing. So I'll just be giving an example. How do you think that the big YouTubers keep making it? Fine, they have a loyal audience, but it's the comment section that helps, because they have a loyal audience that will always come to drop a comment each time they watch the video. They drop a comment each time they publish a video, and so it gets pushed, and that's why you see them having thousands of views every time they post their video, because the engagement is there. So this engagement thing, for me, in fact, is a very serious thing. It's something that one should take highly, very important. Another point is to analyze and adjust. Check your analytics and see what is working and what is not working. I keep saying these things, but I hardly do it sometimes. And guess what? Yesterday I just decided that, okay, the most viewed videos that I have, let me just go back to them and actually see what is going on there. Like, I just wanted to really analyze to see what is happening. Is it the title? I just wanted to know what was working. And guess what? That was when I realized that adding cards to my videos were actually making YouTube suggest my videos to other people. In fact, there was one of my videos that I added more cards. Normally, I usually add just one card to each video. But there was a particular video that I added, I think, about 4 cards. I realized that video did very well. Then I saw that, so if I knew all this while, then I would have been adding more cards to my videos. So it means that the more end screen you put to your videos, the more cards and people are clicking on it, the more all these things are interlinking, the more it is pushing your videos, the more you see your videos suggesting your videos to people. Like, sometimes I just see random videos, sometimes I just see one of my videos, but that particular video, I realized that almost all my videos was what is showing content suggesting this video, which is a very good thing. So it's important to analyze. If you have not been analyzing to see the videos that are performing poorly and the ones that are performing very well, it's better to sit back and watch it, because trust me, if you sit back to analyze, you will see what is going on well and you will see what is not going on well. You will be able to track what you should double your effort on and what you should not do. Except you're not just willing to take that time out. If you really want a change in your views, you really want a change in your channel, this is exactly what to do. I did it yesterday. I realized a lot of things and I was happy. In fact, that's the reason why I'm making this video. So this is very vital. Finally, using trends to your advantage is very key. See what is trending in your niche and up on it. In fact, you can use the same title format. It's like a stealing strategy. I watched it on a particular channel recently. It's a stealing strategy. Like, if you see that video is working well for that person, you can take that exact title. If you want to tweak it a bit, fine. But even if you're not tweaking it, we just know that title, and you recreate the video very well, will rank in search with that same person. So people that are actually viewed that title will also want to view your own, because it will rank the same way with that video. So these are the proven strategies to actually gain more views on your video. Now it's time to act. Now it's time for you to use these tips and use these strategies to get all those views down on your videos. So start applying these tips today. If you have found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please like it and share on to others so that it can reach a wider audience. And please subscribe for more growth tips like this. And also watch the next video on your end screen, as this is going to be very helpful for you. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead and bye for now.